In this video, I'm going to help you to fix the issue where your outgoing calls, your incoming calls are dropping, right? And you can fix this very simple. If you try to dial and you're not able to call, the call is just dropping. I'm going to show you how to fix this. Well, the first thing you want to do, go to your settings. You want to go to reset. So you can find it in about phone depending on the device. You hit reset, and what you want to do, you want to reset network settings. So this is if there's a problem with your network, with your signal or with your SIM card, you want to reset the network. This will also reset Wi-Fi, mobile data, and the Bluetooth. Also, you can see we have SIM 2 there. We can choose SIM 1 or SIM 2, and we can reset the settings. The other way how you can fix this issue is to go to your settings, go to your apps, locate phone, or it might be dialer. So you want to locate phone or dialer, right? Then you want to go to permissions. You want to ensure that all the permissions are allow, call logs, camera, contacts, phone, SMS. So you want to make sure that phone is allowed. If it is not allowed, you will not be able to make calls. Then once you have checked the settings here, you should be good. The next thing in which you want to do is that you want to go to storage, and this is what fixes this issue most of the time. When you are in storage, you want to clear the data of the phone app. This will reset the phone app as when you just got your phone brand new. Because what happens at times, other apps create complication with your other apps, like your phone app. For example, you download a game, you download Facebook, you download any other different third-party apps, and they ask you if you can give permission to your contacts, permission to your phone, as in this app to make calls. Also, Samsung browser and other browser. This is the reason where you can go right ahead from your Samsung browser and click call. Like if you look up a business listing, you can click call and it will take you to the phone. Different apps can create problem with your phone app. So what we're going to do, when you go to storage, you clear the data. Once you clear the data, it will delete everything, right? It says all of the application data will be deleted permanently. This includes all file, settings, accounts, database, etc. So this should fix the issue. Once you have done that, you should be good to go. You should be able to go ahead, dial a number. So I dial a random number and we are going to make a call.
I'm sorry, but the person you have called is unavailable.
So as you can see, the call actually went out. And I hope that this video was helpful. You want to do like, share, and subscribe and all of that good stuff. I'm out. Subscribe. Turn the post notification button on.